Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes. Consistency so far. Well, okay, this will be my third video of 2020 and we're not even in February yet. Great, huh? Alright, so I've actually been really anxious, really like excited to film this video. There's like a whole new trend. Hold that thought. There's a whole new trend of like the waves. People are like using a waver to wave their hair, and it's like the new thing. And you know, a whole bunch of companies are now selling a waver, and well, I really like it how it looks. The hair. I've seen people with short hair and long hair use it, and it looks on point. Now, the reason why I actually went and bought one was because of Nicole Guerrero. Damn you. So now, well, I have one. So, this video is not sponsored. I literally went I went online, purchased this myself with my own money. I got the Bondi Boost Wave Wand. I've actually used a couple of their products so far, and I really like their products. I totally rate them. Shampoo and conditioner. My hair is amazing. Not just saying, but it is. You know, like, this is my natural hair. For the sake of, you know, I want to try this, I will actually do my hair. I generally don't do anything to my hair. Haven't put heat to it this year because I like my natural, like I like this. I can work with it and it does what I want it to do on a wavy, straight-ish type of way. But like I said, I've been seeing a lot of people with the waver, and I really like it. And a lot of I've seen, just taking it out of the box. I've seen the reviews and people really like it. So when you open it up, I literally haven't opened it. This is right now. I've been meaning to. I got it. It's Saturday, and I think I got it on Monday, Tuesday, something like that. But that's how it looks when. That's how it looks when you open it. Not only do you get the waver, you also get a Bondi Boost heat protectant spray. I mean, how many companies actually do that? I actually bought a heat protectant. I think I've used it once just because, you know, I don't want to damage my hair. But yeah, I'll be using this as well. But I do like their products. It's really hot in this house. Did I turn on? I just turned on the aircon. So, yeah, so you got the heat protectant spray, and then, oh, it even comes with a heat glove. I actually have one. Yes, because I don't want to burn my fingers because I'm an amateur. So that's how it comes in little bubble wrap. We'll finish that later. And, oh, thought it was like dusty, but it's a little bit glittery. And that's what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, it's got a little stand so you don't burn your table or your bench or wherever you're doing your hair. It's got a temperature, I think it said from like 80 degrees to like 240, I think. It's a 33mm barrel, high-grade ceramic for maximum durability and professional results. I did read somewhere that if you leave it on, you know, when you leave the house, sometimes you leave straighteners and whatever on. This actually automatically turns off after 60 minutes, so appreciate that. Now this thing was $85, free shipping. I think it's also free, it's to Australia, obviously. Free shipping, I think, is also to New Zealand. Don't quote me on it, check the website. But I'll leave everything linked down below and whatnot. But I'm going to test this out on camera for the first time. So the light has turned on. While it warms up, we're going to, like I said, use the heat protectant spray. I've got my mirror here, so. Smells nice. Nothing too like artificial. Getting my glove ready. It has actually gone to 190 degrees, which is what I put it on. 190 degrees is around, or say 400 Fahrenheit. It's almost double. We're talking about degrees Celsius here, people. I'll be honest with you, I'm a bit scared. So I left it on for 5 seconds. That's how deep the wave is. Should have started from the back now that I think about it. Like I said, amateur. But that's what these things are for. It's so you can do it at home, you know? You know? Okay. I just want to see which way works best. Hello. So far, so good. All right. I think I'm going to time lapse this, so I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Upside of the barrels is that you can actually do massive chunks of hair at a time, which I appreciate, especially for people who have really thick hair. I don't, so this is like super fast. Bear in mind, this is the first time, so obviously the first time you will take a little bit longer just for anything, you know. Trying something new is, you can't expect it to work when they say it's going to be like 5 minutes and really it takes you 25 minutes, like a recipe. It's like, kind of like, I didn't really try, but it looks cute. So those are the waves. My hair is, I washed it on, zoom back out. Washed my hair on Thursday night. It is Saturday morning, so it's 2 days. My hair's running a pinch oily because we have a lot of humidity here in Australia right now. With the fires, we had thunderstorms last night with like pissing down rain, so that's my hair. But I'll tell you one thing, I like it. And for 85 bucks, like I said, $85 covers the wand, the free shipping, the glove, and the heat spray. That's actually really good. Something that's trending, something that took me, say, 15 minutes to do, because like I said, it's my first time. I could probably get away with doing it, you know, 10 minutes, maybe less, 7, if we're lucky. But I will say one thing, I love it. I might actually use some Batiste dry shampoo and defrizz, because like I said, my hair's a little frizzy, and this one's actually invisible, so no white cast, especially for, you know, dark hair people like me. So I will, and this does give you a little bit of volume. have no idea how old this is. I don't really use hairspray. Yeah. I literally use it if we go out and I have a little bit of frizz. I do use it, but I could easily say I've had this for like 3 years and it's still maybe half full. I'm just gonna put, maybe it's time. I might actually just buy a travel size. Not because I travel, but because I don't really use it, but I love it. Like, straighteners, who are you? These products are not that expensive. I will leave their website down below. I think if it's your first purchase and you sign up to their emailing list or something, get like a thing pops up on the screen, 10% off. So 10% from $85 is $8.50. Not bad. And like I said, 85 bucks for what you're getting is decent. So would I recommend it? Yes. Is it good for amateurs? Yes. Like myself, because I don't do hair. But yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. I also do videos such as like fashion and makeup. So if you've got any preferences, please leave them in the down bar. And if you want to be notified when I upload, just hit that little bell that's underneath somewhere. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.